POV TikTok videos explained.
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok to understand what POV videos are and how they stand out from other content on the platform. If you're a TikTok enthusiast or just curious, this is for you.
What is a POV video?
POV stands for Point of View. In the context of TikTok, a POV video is one where the creator takes on a specific role or character and presents a scenario as if the viewer is directly interacting with them. It's like a first-person narrative, where the camera acts as the eyes of the viewer. This gives the sensation of being inside the video and personally experiencing the content.
How do POV videos differ from others?
Immersion. Unlike other videos, POV videos are all about immersing the viewer in a specific scenario. The viewer isn't just watching, they're participating. Creativity and storytelling. Many POV videos lean heavily on creative storytelling. The short video span pushes creators to condense a storyline into just a few moments, often leading to intense and imaginative content. Emotional engagement. Due to their immersive nature, POV videos often evoke stronger emotional reactions. Whether it's humor, fear, sadness, or joy, the viewer feels more connected.
Why are POV videos popular?
POV videos have become a staple on TikTok because they offer a unique and interactive viewing experience. With the platform's features like soundtracks, filters, and effects, creators have a vast array of tools to craft impactful POV content. Moreover, the format challenges creators to think outside the box, leading to diverse and innovative content that resonates with audiences. POV videos are a testament to the ever-evolving nature of content on TikTok. They push boundaries, encourage viewer participation, and showcase the immense creativity of users on the platform. So the next time you come across a POV video, you'll know exactly what makes it special. Hope you found this breakdown insightful.